Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably want to know about how to use Xero Practice Manager. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Start by logging in to Xero using your Xero login email address and password. Click on the organization name, then select Practice Manager. Log into Practice Manager using your username and password. Now, let's see the Clients menu. This is where you will get an overview of your clients once you load them. On the right hand side, we have a work in progress filter. Here you can view all the jobs that make up the billable work in progress. Looking across the top, you can store various types of information including lead details, quotes, jobs, invoices, and historical invoices. You can also manually add notes and upload documents directly, or use integrations with Office 365 products like Suite Files or FYI Docs for a more streamlined approach. Down here, you can store custom fields for additional client information such as tax and company details, AML details, and more. These fields can be customized to include drop-downs, URLs, contact fields, dates, and checkboxes. You can set up relationships between entities like shareholders or directors to manage these connections effectively. Moving on to job features, here's the full job view. As an administrator, you can see all jobs and their statuses, budgets, and performance. Staff members will see their jobs only, allowing them to track progress and update job states. You can also set up recurring workflows such as monthly bookkeeping jobs, assign tasks to staff members, and manage procedures like payroll or tax efficiently. Now, let's talk about managing new prospects and clients. If you don't have a CRM like HubSpot or Salesforce, Xero Practice Manager can handle this for you. Create a new lead, assign it to a staff member, and store relevant details. Enter timesheets by selecting the task and hours worked. You can raise progress invoices based on the work done or issue a deposit invoice. With Xero integration, your invoices will sync automatically, making it easy to manage approvals and payments. At the end of the month, use a work in progress dashboard to review billable work, client status, and job progress. Customize filters and reports to track your financials and job statuses effectively. And that's pretty much all about how you can use Xero Practice Manager.